how you doing? Once again, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I've been so inconsistent, like I know, with my videos, but trust me, it's for a good cause, okay? It's for a good reason. But yeah, I'm back again with another video, and this time, of course, with another haul. It is that time of the year again, guys. Black Friday sales everywhere. And of course, I'm collaborating with Jumia again on this video. Thank you so much, Jumia, for sponsoring this video. I went haywire shopping on the Jumia site for the Black Friday. The Black Friday sales on Jumia started November 2nd and is ending November 30th. So all through the month of November, plenty of sales and discounts and stuff, you know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, girl, boy, whoever watching this video right now? You're not subscribed. It's not fair, it's not good. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so you get notified every time I have a new video. And without further ado, without wasting too much of your precious time, let's get right into the video. I can't wait to show you guys all the things I've gotten. Stay tuned. So guys, this time around, I did not really shop a lot of fashion items in terms of clothing and all of that, but I did a lot of accessories and makeup. So I shopped only one clothing item. So I got this long sleeve sweatshirt from the men's section. Guys, you know me, as always, I love my loose clothing. I went onto the men's section and I picked out this red sweatshirt here. It's a long sleeve sweatshirt. It is loose. It's something I can easily wear with like a pair of jeans or a pair of leggings with sneakers or even heels. I love the quality as well. The quality is superb. Like when I got this, I was like, why is the quality so good for the price? Like it just cost it was just like 2,800 naira. So you can imagine, and the quality is really good, guys. So yeah, I picked this up. This is the only clothing that I shopped on Jumia this time around, guys. Just this one. Next up, I picked a wristwatch, and I picked the Mini Focus wristwatch. It's a black wristwatch, and it came in this box right here, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, this is what the watch looks like. It's really cute. It's a chain watch, and the quality is really good. Like, it's heavy. It's not like a very light, cheap wristwatch or something like that. It is really cute, and I love the fact that it is black. It's a black chain wristwatch, and it's got the rose gold details right on the face there. So I thought that was really cute. And I think I picked this up for 5,300 and something naira. I'm gonna leave the prices of all the items on the screen just in case I make a mistake. So yeah, I think I got this for like 5,300 naira. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, and I love it. I so love this. Like, I'm definitely going back to pick like one or two more wristwatches because, to be honest, I need wristwatches. I really do. This is really gorgeous, and for the price, it's just nice. It's really nice. So the next things I picked is this pair of gold flats. Guys, I just fell in love with it because it was metallic. I'm simply obsessed with metallic shoes right now, be it heels, be it flats. Like, I'm simply obsessed. So when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it. It's so comfy. I've tried it, but I haven't like worn it yet, like worn it out, but I've tried it on, and it's really comfortable. This one was a bit expensive. It was about 5,999 naira. I call it 6,000 naira basically, but it's really good, and it looks pretty sturdy. Like, it's something that is going to last for a while. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. It's really gorgeous. So the next thing that I picked up is this gorgeous mini bag right here, guys. How cute is this bag, guys? This is so me. I was looking for like a bag to buy, not anything big, because I've been simply obsessed with mini bags these days. So I picked this one up, and as you can see, guys, it is a black Plaid. I don't know what fabric is this. I think this is called houndstooth. I think that's what this pattern is called, not the fabric, sorry, the pattern. It's a small bag, so if you like big bags, this is probably not for you, but I love my mini bags. Yeah, simply stylish and very fashionable, and I can style them with basically anything that I wear. It comes with straps inside as well, just in case I want to carry it on my shoulder. It comes with straps as well. I think it's very, very trendy. It's a very trendy piece as well. It's something that you can have in your closet and you will keep using for a long time. Like, I think it's a very, very classic, timeless piece. And this bag costs 3,500 naira, guys. Like, can you beat that? 3,500 is so pretty. I love the gold details on the handle and right here. It's just so pretty, guys. It's just something that I'm super, super, super happy about. So yeah. So next up, I picked 2 pairs of earrings, and believe it or not, guys, I'm one of those people or one of those bloggers who does not own tassel earrings. Like, tassel earrings have been trending for the longest time, and this time around I was like, I must get myself tassel earrings. So I picked out 2 pairs of tassel earrings right here, and I picked them in a black color and I picked another one in a pink color. The black definitely can go with anything, like basically anything, any makeup, any outfit, and the pink as well. I love the, what's it called now? I think I love the pin here on the pink one. It's very classy. It has like a sailor's anchor kind of thing, kind of design on the pin, and I think it's just absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. These were like 900 naira each or 950, I can't really remember, but yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous, and I see myself going back on the site to pick up like more colors, maybe like red, blue, green, you know, just have fun with it. This kind of earrings are just so much fun to style. So I think we are done with everything fashion related, like accessories and all of that. So let's move into makeup, my favorite thing. So the first thing that I got was the e.l.f. small tapered brush. I've already started using these, guys. That's why it's out of the pack. And I was looking for a tapered brush that was very good for highlighting, because I usually use my fan brush, and I just got sick of using a fan brush to do my highlight, to be honest. So I had been seeing people using like small tapered brushes and, you know, actual precise highlighting brushes. I didn't have any in my collection, so I decided to check Jumia, and I found the e.l.f. small tapered brush. I went on YouTube, I watched some reviews, and I just decided to just order it. And guys, let me tell you, this is like a multi-purpose brush. If you don't have a brush like this, what you doing? What are you doing? The bristles are soft. Like, guys, I can't rave enough about this, because I've already started using this one. So I really, really love this, and I think this costs about 2,005 or so. Either 2,500 or 2,600, I'm not sure. Next up, I picked up some products from Zaron. If you do not know, Zaron has a store on Jumia. So just in case you don't want to go into like a Zaron retail store or anything, you can order Zaron products on Jumia, and they're literally about the same price as you would find them on the Zaron website or, you know, in store. So I picked up 2 products because they just released a new line of products, and I was like, I have to try some of these, like I have to. So I picked up one of their new eyeshadow palettes. They came out with 3 eyeshadow palettes recently, and I picked up one, and then I picked up their XOXO mascara. Guys, I picked up the Zaron splash palette. This is what it looks like. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and I just love the colors. That's not to say I have loads and loads of colorful eyeshadow palettes, but this one, there was just something about this one I knew I had to have. So this is what it looks like, guys, and I just knew like I had to have this. I just had to have this. It's so cute. The colors are so nice. I've already done a bit of a swatch, and the colors are so pigmented. Like, they are super pigmented. Zaron, they delayed in bringing out products like this, but I feel like it was worth the wait, because these shadows are so pigmented. I can't even wait to start playing with this, honestly. I think this one retails for 4,200 naira or so. So yeah, that's how much this is. And then I picked up the XOXO Zaron Lashed Out. This is like a mini mascara right here, which is absolutely amazing for your bottom lashes. I haven't tried it out, but I already know, like I've seen it on Instagram, so I already know how it's going to perform. If you don't know, I'm a big fan of the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. Like, that mascara is life, guys. It is life. I love that mascara. So when I saw the XOXO mascara, I knew I had to have it. It's like having a mini version of the lengthening mascara. Okay, this one was 1,150. Wow, that's cheap. That's really cheap. This one retails for 1,150. That's extremely cheap, guys, and I'm sure that this is a very, 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 very good product. And can we give kudos to Zaron for packaging? Like, the packaging of these products, top notch. I got 2 products from Maybelline. Like I said in my last haul video, Maybelline has a store as well on Jumia. So if you're looking for like authentic Maybelline products at like the best prices, you need to check Jumia. Like you need to check Maybelline store on Jumia, guys. You cannot get any Maybelline products for anything less than that in Nigeria right now. So I picked up 2 products from Maybelline, and I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I picked up the shade Caramel. I think this was the lightest shade on the site. I heard amazing things about this concealer, and I can't wait to start using it. I can't wait, guys. Like, hello, I can't wait. This one retails for $2.5 on Jumia, and I'm sure it's even been slashed down now for the Black Friday sales. So yeah, check that out. And also I picked up the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Gosh, I have seen reviews upon reviews and raves upon raves about the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight, and especially the shade Molten Gold. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, today's the day, I have to pick this one up. So I picked up the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. It's so pretty. Can you guys see that? Like, can you see that? It is so gorgeous. Trust me, the hype about this highlights is real. This one retails on the Jumia site for $2,950, less than 3K, guys. I know loads of vendors that sell this highlight for up to 6,000 naira. Like, I'm not even joking. I know a lot of vendors that sell this highlight for up to 6K, and you can get this from the Maybelline store on Jumia for less than 3,000 naira. And who knows, if you check now, Black Friday, who knows, this might even be slashed down more, guys. What are you still waiting for? Second to the last item I got, and another item I could not wait to try out, is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer. Guys, I have been seeing this primer everywhere. Like, loads of influencers and loads of bloggers and makeup artists swear by this primer. So I think Rimmel has a store on Jumia as well, guys. If they do, I'm going to leave the link down below as well, so check that out. This one retailed for 4,500 naira, but I didn't get it from the actual Rimmel store. I'm sure it's cheaper on the Rimmel store on Jumia, so check that out. Yeah, guys, I can't wait to try this primer out. I've been testing loads of primer. You guys know me, I'm a drugstore junkie. I love my drugstore products, so I have loads of drugstore primers, and I'm very happy to add this one to the collection. And last but not least, guys, I got a foundation, and I got the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Long Wear Matte Foundation. I have been dying to try this foundation. Omabel swears by this foundation. I watch Omabel here on YouTube, and she swears by this foundation, and I just knew I had to have it. So imagine my surprise and my shock when I searched Jumia and I found this foundation. LA Girl does not have a store on Jumia, and I don't know why. I think by now they should have a store on Jumia because they are long overdue. I mean, Maybelline has a store on Jumia, Milani has a store on Jumia, Rimmel has a store on Jumia, Zaron. I think LA Girl deserves to have a store on Jumia, so we know where to buy authentic LA Girl products. I picked up this one from a regular seller on Jumia, and it's the real deal. I think this one was about 6,000. I think I got this for 6K. I got this in the shade Soft Honey, and I've swatched it, and it's my exact shade, the same shade I use with my Revlon Color Stay and my Maybelline Fit Me. This Soft Honey is the exact shade, so I was super happy that I found this on Jumia. And yeah, I can't wait to start rocking this foundation. You guys know. So if you want this, definitely I will leave the link to it in the description bar below. So whew, guys, that was quite an exhausting video because you guys know, unboxing all of, I wish I could just show you guys what is happening down here. Like, this is where all the boxes and all the bags and everything is, right down here. It's a bloody mess. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you are interested, make sure you check the description box down below for the links to all the products that I mentioned in this video, except they are sold out. They will be in the description bar below. Also, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss my next couple of videos, which I promise will be coming very soon. Make sure you also hit that bell button so you get notified anytime I have a new video. And of course, make sure you go haywire on Jumia and shop all of your favorite items at discounted discounted prices. I'm also going to leave a code on the screen just in case you are interested in getting some money off your purchase. Hopefully that code is still valid by now because it's only valid for the first 100 people. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you must have missed it all this while. This is why you should follow me on Instagram, so that you will be the first to know things that are happening. Just follow me on Instagram, guys. Don't waste time. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay awesome, stay blessed. Bye.